This is a review of the Acer Chromebook Spin 311. Its versatility and long battery life make it a great all-rounder. The Chromebook Spin 311 has a simple design, with a matte black finish that's only broken up by a diamond pattern on the lid. With its restrained look, this would be great for class notes or business meetings. The touchpad and keyboard are also perfect for working on. The keyboard feels cramped, probably since it's the same size as those on other Acer models, but it's in a shorter chassis. In the end, we liked its satisfying clicks and actuation. As a Chromebook, the Acer Chromebook Spin 311 might seem a bit small at first glance. It's no laptop replacement, but if you're looking for something cheap and durable, then this Chromebook is a great choice. Acer Chromebook Spin 311 always handles anything thrown at it, even with a modest component set. With far too many Chrome tabs open, running YouTube, or Spotify, and messaging on apps all at once, an AMD-based laptop with 4 GB of RAM never has any stuttering or problems. It's an underrated and understated Chromebook. The Acer Chromebook Spin 311 is a great machine. It's great for its price, fun, and versatile, and it can do everything that other, more powerful Chromebooks can do. This is a great Chromebook if you like the size and want a touchscreen. With a price of $330, £280 about $490 the Acer Chromebook Spin 311 isn't as cheap as the Acer Chromebook 314, released around the same time. For more money, a smaller model with a shorter battery life? Not so sure, at first. However, its differences in build, design, and features probably make it worth it. The price is very reasonable for a 2-in-1 Chromebook that is versatile and at the lower mid-end of the price spectrum. This isn't a premium Pixelbook. With a sale, it's almost impulse buy worthy. The usual retailers will have it, however, that a customer price in Australia is far higher than the conversion from US or UK prices. For example, one price on Amazon AU is well over $700. Australia's availability should increase further, and prices should gradually go down. The Acer Chromebook Spin 311 is a really small machine, but it has a great design, build, and aesthetic. This thing is a black symphony. Black on the back, black on the keyboard, and black around the screen. This makes the Chromebook look cute and cohesive. Acer Chromebook Spin 311's main body is matte black, but the back has a diamond print screen. In terms of durability, this is probably for protecting the screen, but it looks awesome too, adding texture and a fun twist. The Chromebook's shell feels sturdy and solid, which is nice for people looking for a tough Chromebook. There's just a little give to the keyboard panel if you're a heavy typist. The shell is solid and robust, so this contrasts. There's plenty of space on the keyboard, but because it's in a smaller chassis everything feels tighter and so it's not quite as comfortable as larger Chromebooks. There's still a satisfying click-clack-click to using the keyboard and touchpad. One thing to watch for is that the keyboard has a bit of flex if you type a lot. Even though the screen is technically 11 inches long, the huge bezels keep it from being a full 11 inches. This is probably so the tough Gorilla Glass can be fitted securely, particularly in spin mode. Acer Chromebook Spin 311 also doesn't have a fingerprint reader, which would normally be a disappointment for a machine priced around $300, £300, but due to the design quirks it has, it's not really a fair criticism. It's still worth noting. It's hard to believe just how satisfying typing could be on such a small machine, but sitting down to use the Acer Chromebook Spin 311 is a big surprise. Especially nice is how easy it is to use the touchpad, responsive, easy, and satisfying. Unfortunately, what's on screen doesn't match that satisfaction. We had to raise the brightness to see the pictures clearly. The battery life suffered. Although the brightness was increased, the screen only got lighter and whiter, colors and contrasts didn't follow suit, so it was a bit tough on the eyes. Using the Acer Chromebook Spin 311's spin mechanism to turn it into a tablet isn't just fun, it's handy as well, especially with its touchscreen. The cool thing is, when you flip the screen all the way around and just use it as a touchscreen, the keyboard is disabled, so you accidentally type and smudge your way into strange searches. Booting from off to log in 12 seconds is great, and you can close the screen and go into sleep, then instantly start it up again by lifting the screen back up. For a Chromebook, the battery life on the Acer Chromebook 311 is decent, but not great. In our movie test it lasted over 8 hours, so you can safely take it away from the office for a day. Charges via USB-C are super fast. From 0 to full charge, the Acer Chromebook 311 takes 2 hours. Add in a decent battery life to the Acer Chromebook Spin 311, and it's a pretty good deal. You might be better off with an Acer Chromebook 314 if you want more power.